All right, here's a quick video on how to calculate tax for your AppLab app. So let's go into AppLab, and we're going to start off. So I'm just going to just focus on the portion of calculating the tax. So we'll start out with, let's pretend you've come up with some kind of subtotal. I'm just going to call it price for now, and we'll just set it equal to $12.50. And we will say that while your app is in play, that the tax rate in Ontario shouldn't change, which it is currently now 13%, so we're going to put that in decimal form, so 0.13. And then we'll put a couple other variables that we're going to use. Actually, we can declare these with it. If I want to figure out how much tax is on something, then I can say tax is equal to, and if we're using blocks, I'm going to put in price times tax rate. And that'll calculate tax. And if we turn our variable watches on, we can put tax down here, undefined, we run it, and it's $1.62.50. Okay. Then if we want to figure out a total, then our total is just equal to our price plus tax. And we reset and run that again. Oh, we got to put that in here. Total. Our total is $14.12.50. Now, mathematically, that's perfect and works fine, but you can see how that would be confusing if you were in a store or something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the round feature in math, which is right here, round, to help us clean that up a bit. Now, normally, like in programs like Python or other programming languages, you can round to whatever decimal points you want. In AppLab, you can only go to the nearest integer. So we're going to use the powers of math to fix these things up a bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to round to the nearest penny. Okay, so when we say that our tax is $1.62.50, I want to know how many pennies that is. So I'm going to sneak this in here, and I'm going to say that I'm going to set tax equal to whatever tax was times 100. So now we have tax in pennies. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another assignment in here, and I'm going to say tax is now equal to, and we'll grab the round feature. Tax is equal to tax, now round it. Okay. And if we reset and run, our tax is 163, so now our total is $175. So, minor mistake, we have to put one more statement in here. And so after we round our tax off to nearest penny, now we have to turn it back into dollars. So tax divided by 100. Okay, and we reset and run. Oh, isn't that an interesting error? Okay. This error we're not going to go into in this class. It has to do with the ways that computers store numbers. So obviously that's ugly, but if I wanted to clear that up, I could just do the same thing up here. So I'm going to grab these ones here. Whoops, Control Z, copy. And we'll come down here, we'll paste that. And we'll just change these to total. And let's put it back to blocks. If we should set and run, now it's cleaned up and our total now is $14.13. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, still let me know. But for the most part, that's how you can kind of change things to dollars and cents in AppLab. Take care and have a good day.